What is going on, YouTube? It's your guy Be More Bread back with another video. So you know by now, by looking at that thumbnail, new bags on the bike. So I had these Saddleman saddlebags on here for, I want to say a little over 2 years now. Put a bunch of miles on them, took them to Florida and everything. Held up great. Build quality and stuff is good. Kept my stuff dry while I was out on the road. But they're all discolored and stuff. They're fading. They're no longer black. It's like a gray, faded gray. So I went ahead and bought some new bags, man. So let's take a look at them. As you can see now, FXRP bags. Got rid of the Saddleman bags. No issue as far as quality. They held up very well. The only thing is that they got real discolored. They started turning kind of like a charcoal gray. Looked real faded. So decided to go with Villain2Hero FXRP style bags. So far they look real nice. I don't know if I'm gonna color match them or if I'm gonna keep them the same color. But I don't know. I like them. Build quality looks real nice. Let you guys check them out. What do you think? Do you like these? The only thing that I'm gonna end up doing to these is something to cover the inside of the bags themselves. You see like the fiberglass and stuff, or get like a saddlebag bag to put in there. Might cut like some leather out and glue it to the inside of the bag. But overall, great quality bags. They do have locks on them. They do lock. They look real nice. Sleek look on the bike. I like it. Let me know what you guys think. Also, as you can tell, the FXRT fairing is off the bike. Reasoning is I was gonna install new risers on the bike. One of my buddies gave me a set of risers, so I had to take the FXRT fairing off the bracket and everything to get to the risers. But unfortunately the risers are 1 1/8, so those handlebars did not fit. So I did not feel like putting that fairing back on, so I just grabbed my old T-Sport fairing, threw it on the bike real quick just to have something on there. I did end up ordering a new set of handlebars for the risers, 1 1/8 handlebars, MX styles, gold bars. So waiting on them when they come in. I might throw the FXRT fairing back on. I don't know. Let me know. I rode this the other day with that T-Sport fairing, and I liked it a lot. It felt real light. It kind of reminded me of when I initially bought the bike. It felt real nimble. Felt real light without the FXRT fairing on there. But I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Should I throw the FXRT fairing back on, or should I rock the T-Sport for a little while? Also, let me know what you think about the bags. I like them. I recommend them. Build quality is excellent. The only thing, like I said, it would need, I would prefer they came with a liner on the inside of the bag, but it's all good. I can make one myself. Other than that, you know, the bags are real nice. But I appreciate you guys tuning in. Like, comment, subscribe. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace.